Hello everyone! So I'm so excited today. I have my very first FAB FIT FUN box. I can't wait to get in here and see what's inside. So I've always seen FAB FIT FUN around like on Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube, and I finally decided that I needed it. I needed the FAB FIT FUN. All the reviews that I've seen, everybody really likes it. I am super into subscription services. Anything that, you know, saves me a little cash on products is my kind of thing. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and then also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. I'm just going to jump right on into this. If you want to see what I got for the summer box of FAB FIT FUN, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you're not familiar with FAB FIT FUN, it is a quarterly subscription service. They promise to send you $200 plus worth of product in each box, and it is $49.99. There's so many discount codes out there that you can use. I typically go on my subscription addiction and find coupon codes for subscription boxes, but I'll go online and see what I can find. I'll link everything down below, different coupon codes, all that sort of stuff. There was a code that I used where I got a couple extra products. I got 5 of these lip masks. They're the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Masks. I actually already have a couple of these because they were sent in a BOXYCHARM a couple months ago. I tried one out. I'm not totally sure how I feel about it, but I've only used it once, so it wasn't, you know, I don't exactly know how I feel about them quite yet. So now I got 5 more of them. I could throw some of these in a giveaway or be selfish and use them all for myself. So this was an extra product, and then the other extra product I got was the Glam Glow Pout Mud Wet Lip Balm Treatment. I have just like a regular one, I think, but this one I think it's in a different it's in a different like flavor. It has a little tint to it, and I actually really like the one that I have. But so it just got a little bit of a tint to it, kind of nice little pink glossiness to it. So I'm actually really happy about that one. Again, I have just the regular one of these and I love it. So one with a little tint to it makes me happy. So I'm just gonna get right on into the box. Got some little scissors. Probably need some sort of box cutter or something. And I do believe that, as far as I know, this was only my first month, so I'm not, you know, I don't know everything about these boxes, but from what I've seen online so far with my experience, I'm pretty sure that you can customize your boxes a little bit. I know that I was able to customize, I think, 2 of the items that were in here, and then I think that you can upgrade to be able to customize even more, so pay a little bit more a month, I think, to customize more of your stuff. That's as far as I know. So I'm just gonna open this box on up. So it says Taste of Summer on the inside. It's really cute. It is just very summery and fun. And then you get this big old pamphlet, which I'm assuming just has all of the products and everything on inside of there. You get a little card. It says pass this card on to your friend. We'll get $10 off their first box. So that's pretty awesome, and it has a little coupon code on the back. Again, with all those coupon codes, it is only for your first month's box. It's not like a repeat thing. So again, I'll have all those listed down in the description bar below. Whatever I can find, I'll put down there for you guys. So I'm just gonna get on into it. It has a cute little strawberry sticker on the inside. Share to win. #FabFitFun. I don't know what you can win, but I guess you can win something. So here it is at a glance. So I'm just gonna pull this Pier 1 thing out first. So this is from Pier 1 Imports. Ooh, this is cute. It's a little dish thing. I'm gonna grab my handy dandy magazine so that I know exactly what it is. This magazine is huge. Okay, so it's a marble ring dish. This is super cute. It retails for $14.99. It says place it near a kitchen sink so you can take off your rings before doing dishes, which is an awesome idea because actually this would look really cute in my bathroom. I'm always taking off my rings to take off my makeup at the end of the night. So that would be really fun to put there, or I could I have a little ring dish at the top of my shelf thing that I could also use, or I don't know, but it's marble and it's cute and I'm all for it. pull up the next thing that's in here. So this is from Maji Sports. I'm probably saying that wrong. You'll probably notice I suck at pronouncing things. So you got this little guy, which reminds me of 10 things I hate about you. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about in the comments below. Just oh, apparently there's FAB FIT FUN TV. That's pretty cool. Yeah, exclusive videos to show you how to get in shape using the Loop Resistance Band, which is what this is. It can help you strengthen and tone every muscle group on your body. We've created amazing exercises on FAB FIT FUN TV for your legs, back, biceps, triceps, shoulders, and abs. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that they did a FAB FIT FUN TV, so I learned something new, and I'm probably gonna check that out because I could use a little good fitness in my life. So it is the Maji Sports Loop Resistant Band. It retails for $15 and it's portable, so you can take it with you to any outdoor workout. The next thing I'm pulling out, this is from, I'm guessing it's pronounced earthjewelry.com. Looks like a little ring. This is the You and I ring. It's 2 natural curated freshwater pearls joined by a 14-karat gold plated ring. It's a symbol of love, friendship, togetherness, and partnership. So there is the ring on my hand right here. I'm going to open up my little handy dandy magazine again, and it is retailed for, wow, this is actually retailed for $55. A lot of money for this little guy. This is actually pretty cute, and I think I'm gonna leave it right there for the rest of the video. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Coola Sport Classic Sunscreen. I feel like that's like a pattern lately. In all of my subscription boxes, I've been getting lots of sunscreen, which isn't bad because, you know, I will burn very easily, so I could probably use it, and my girls are, unfortunately, they got their mom's skin, so we will just burn within like 10 minutes of being outside. So good sunscreen is good for us. It's a TSA approved size, which is awesome because I'm also going out of town in a couple more weeks, and then I can take this with me. It's water resistant for 80 minutes, and it's cruelty free. I said cruelty. It's cruelty free. So it's organic sun care. It's broad spectrum SPF of 50. Oh, so it says it doubles as a moisturizer, which is really nice because my skin is so dry. So moisturizing and having sunscreen in one is actually pretty awesome for me, and this retails for $32. The next thing I am pulling out, this is the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I actually already have one of these, so I don't want to take this out. I will either throw it in a giveaway or pass it along, or I'll most likely just save it for a giveaway. So I'm just gonna grab mine out really quick just to show you what it looks like. I actually really enjoy it. So here is the front of it. Opens up. It's got 2 little mirrors on both sides, and then you got 4 highlights. You got a cream contour and a sculpting shade. Again, I actually really enjoy this. I really like the cream contour shade. The sculpting shade is perfect for me, and then the highlights are also really pretty as well. So I really enjoy this, and it smells pretty good too, so that's plus. If you haven't tried it out, I'd highly recommend it. If you get the FAB FIT FUN box, I don't think that you'll be disappointed with this. So this palette retails for $45. The next thing I am pulling out, ooh, this is the Orlando Pita Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant Spray. Ooh, that's cool. So for it's for damp or dry hair. It's the ultimate preheat styling spray. Ooh, that's awesome. I actually have been looking for a good heat protectant. I do heat style my hair. My hair is naturally curly, but it's a pain in the butt when I try to do it naturally curly. I've been wanting to find something to really protect my hair. So it says it has up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat protection. It provides humidity control, shields from the environmental stressors, enhances manageability, helps repair split ends, preserves shine, smooths hair cuticle, promotes softness, helps maintain color, and refreshes curls. Let's see how this smells. Ooh, this actually doesn't smell too bad. This actually smells pretty good. So I would not mind putting that in my hair. The hair protectant treatment spray retails for $34. The next thing I'm going to pick up is the Foreo Luna Fofo. I've seen these before, but I don't exactly know how to use it. I know that it's a facial cleansing brush, but it says it has smart beauty. It's a smart beauty coach. And on the back it says that it measures skin moisture, customizes cleansing routine, reveals skin age, and app records progress. So that's pretty interesting. So the Foreo Luna Fofo it retails for $89, and it also says that we're one of the first to get your hands on the newest revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Foreo Luna app. Ooh, the ends of this actually feel really, really nice. Ooh, it vibrates. Ooh. So I'm gonna have to do quite a bit more research to see exactly how I use it, and I'll keep you guys posted on how I like it. And the last thing in my box, this is actually something that I chose to have in here. Like I said, you get to customize it a little bit, and I chose this little makeup case. I think that you could get either a towel or this, and I chose this. So it's this cute flowery print. It has two little sections to it, so you got your big spot right here, and then you got this little spot right here. Ooh, and it also has this little card in it. It says a $50 off your purchase of $200 at umica.com. So that is I'm assuming where this bag is from. So you got a little spot for your brushes, and then you also got a little pocket up here. So I'm actually really excited for this. I had just purchased a travel case off of Amazon. I did a little video on the case and products that I take with me while traveling. I'll link that up above. But I think that this is really cute for if I'm just going somewhere for a couple days. I don't have a lot of stuff that I want to bring with me. I think this is really adorable, and I can throw stuff in there and take it, and it has a little handle, and it's cute. This travel cosmetic case does retail for $58. Okay, if I just did my math right, this entire box retails for $342.99. That is a lot of money for me only spending $50 on all of this. I mean, this alone was 55 bucks. So to say I'm happy is an understatement, because I think I just got a good deal on all this stuff. I think everything inside here I will use. I don't think that there's anything in here that I didn't like or that will go wasted. I'm really excited to use this. I do already have this, so I mean, I guess that is one little bummer. I guess if I wanted to keep it as a backup, but really, I'm probably just gonna throw this into a giveaway for all of you guys. The Foreo cleansing thingy, I am super excited to use this. I've actually seen a couple people talk about this, and they say that they really, really enjoy it, so I'm happy about this. The little loop resistant band, I guess this is probably my least favorite item in the box. It's just something that I'm not super excited for, but it's also pretty cool, and I don't have anything like this at home, so I will use it when I exercise, when I go on to FAB FIT FUN TV and learn how to use this guy. The moisturizer sunscreen is awesome. The ring dish is super cute. So yeah, you guys, I am actually super, super excited for this box. I'm so happy I finally signed up. I don't know what took me so long. I'm so excited. I'll have links to everything down below, links to get the box. I'll try to find some coupon codes for you guys, whatever I can find. Everything will be linked down below. And let me know if you guys get FabFitFun. What do you guys think about it? What are the products that you guys got in your box? I know there were several variants in there that you could get. So what did you guys get? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.